Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build obby and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can find a high place. It doesn't have to be so high. For example, you can go to the top of your tree on your garden. Okay, and then you're going to go to your cosmetic inventory. Okay, and you can choose one of your cosmetic. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then you can climb the cosmetic and you can place another cosmetic. Okay, like this. Okay, and just do the same thing. And I'm going to put on more cosmetic. Okay, like this, and I'm going to jump to it. Oops, I fell down. Okay, we can repeat it and we can climb. All right, and I'm going to put on this item, this cosmetic, and climb it. Okay, then you can repeat the step until you get the obby that you want. Okay, the cosmetic will be placed on the air. Yeah, that's so easy. And you can make the obby as high as you can. Yeah. And okay guys, that's all the way to create obby and grow a garden. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.